Hi everyone, welcome back. Those that are new, welcome. I love you all. Thank you for all your likes, shares and subscribes. Today I'm doing a reading on Chad Doerman, a man in Ohio that shot his 3 young sons, aged 3, 4 and 7, execution style. I'd like to know the energy surrounding what has happened here, what made him do this. Please give me clear messages, Spirit. What was going through Chad Doerman's mind when he done this cruel act towards his 3 sons? Was there anything that happened beforehand and what was going through his mind? The cards are very jumpy tonight. We're starting off with the 6 of Pentacles in reverse. The 7 of Swords. The 9 of Swords. And the Queen of Wands. Give me more, Spirit. Why did this happen? We have the Lovers in reverse, the Knight of Cups, the Well, the 7 of Cups. One more, please, Spirit. Thank you. And the Queen of Swords. In the heart of the spread, we have the Lovers in reverse. I do believe that there was some marital problems here. There was no equal give and take. He believed that there was no equal give and take. Queen of Swords, it looked like she was cutting him out. Maybe moving on without him. Drinking could have been involved here as well. The 7 of Swords. Liar, stealer, cheat, killer. The 9 of Swords. Guilt. Guilty. Nightmares. His wife may have also been a bit overpowering in the relationship, in the marriage. Definitely action was taken because she was going to leave him by the look of it. I will be digging deeper here with the Tarot of Dreams. Give me clear messages, please, Spirit. What was going on and why did this happen? What was going on in his mind? Chad Doerman. Why did he execute his 3 young sons? Give me more on the 6 of Pentacles in reverse, please, Spirit. Now, the 6 of Pentacles in reverse. I'm hearing that she was going to leave and wasn't going to let him see the children. Give me more on the 6 of Pentacles in reverse, please, Spirit. Why is this 6 of Pentacles in reverse? Thank you. We have the 7 of Wands, the Justice, and the 4 of Cups. I believe that this may mean that she had been threatening to take the kids away from him for a long time. He was feeling attacked. He was being defensive, but he may have also been, he may have been violent. There may have been domestic violence here. He was wanting justice, which on his way of thinking is revenge. Look at all the red in this justice card. The anger, revenge. But she seemed to ignoring any threats that he may have made, not taking him seriously. So she seemed to be wanting to leave him, or any time they had a fight, she would say, I'm leaving, and you're not going to ever see the kids again. Now, he's done this to try to get revenge on his wife. But it was like she was forewarned. It was like he said, yeah, well, if you do that, I'll kill them. If I can't have them, you won't have them. But she ignored it. Well, obviously you wouldn't believe someone would do such a thing. So she took it lightheartedly. She didn't take him seriously. It was just a part of all the domestic violence and the emotional abuse that was going on in the marriage. Sad. These kids may have been used as a pawn every time they had an argument. Give me more on the 7 of Swords, please. The Deception card. Give me more on the 7 of Swords. And there you have it. 7 of Swords and the Death card together mean murder. There was communication here. He already told her that this is what he would do. Look, the Palace of Swords, the Queen of Cups, the mother. She was cutting him out. She kept telling him, you're not going to see the kids again. You're not going to see the kids again, ever. You're not going to have anything to do with the kids. The communication. This is what was being said. He told her in the past that this is what he would do. In the Palace of Swords. Get out of the house. You'll have nothing. I'll take everything from you and the kids, and you won't even see the kids ever again. You won't see the kids. I'm taking the house or whatever belongs in the house. But he communicated what his intentions would be over and over again. But she didn't believe him. Oh, I'm getting very hot here. Tell me more on the 9 of Swords, please, Spirit. We have the Wheel of Fortune, the 3 of Cups, and the 10 of Swords. This is when he decided to take the action. He finally took the action. He had been telling her every time they had an argument, you take the kids, I'll kill them. You won't have them either. The 3 of them, I believe that this would be the 3 of Cups showing the 3 children. He took the action on the 3 children. 10 of Swords. Ended their lives. So sad. Like they were property. Three little lives here. Give me more on the Queen of Wands, Spirit. We have a story. Ten of Coins. Money. Did they have money issues? She was wanting to live her best life. Was she a big spender? Was she putting a lot of pressure on him, spending a lot of money? Or she was also threatening to take all his money. He was worried that he was going to lose everything, not just the kids, but anything that he's ever worked for. The Emperor, the father figure. It would be him, some father figure. Yep, took action. Knight of Coins. But this didn't happen suddenly. It was like he'd planned this. The Knight of Coins gets off his horse and takes his time. And thinks about everything, is cautious and thorough. But they're also obsessive and pessimistic. So I believe that he may have been planning this for a long time. Maybe this argument between them over the kids and the threat of the kids had been going on for a long time. And the money. Family, money, emperor. Maybe that she was also arguing, saying, well, you'll never see the kids, but you'll be paying for them for the rest of your life with child support. But this was something that he seemed to have planned or thought about for a long time. I do believe that he was a drinker, did a lot of drinking, may have been an alcoholic of some sort, drinks a lot. He may have not had a drink that day. I don't believe he was drunk when he did it. He definitely wanted to have an effect on his wife. A cause and effect. This is why he did it in front of her. The ultimate revenge. This is why he spared his wife as well. So that she could live with the pain of what he had done. Affect her for the rest of her life. It was like these children were just used as property or treated as property. And any time they got into an argument, she'd hold the kids against him. But he's done this to punish the wife. Well, me being a mother myself, I could never even imagine the pain that she must be enduring right now, seeing her 3 little baby boys shot by the father. I believe he even tracked one down. One got away and one ran away. And he tracked one down and he brought them back and shot him in front of her. And this is where the cause and effect comes into it. He was doing this to hurt the mother. Wow. That's very extreme. Give me more on the lovers, please, Spirit, in reverse. Why is the lovers in reverse? Only he decided this. One person decided this. The lovers upright means two people deciding, making choices. In reverse, it's one. And the fallout. Why is the lovers here in reverse, Spirit? Story. Yep, here's the story. She was leaving him, wanting to start again. Wanting to go on her own journey in life and take the kids. He didn't, she was using the kids against him. She was telling him she's moving on. She's taking the kids. He's not going to see the kids ever again. There was conflict, fighting, disagreement, hassles. And this is when the King of Swords kicked in and he decided to do what he wanted to do. But it had been happening for a while. She'd been poking at him for a while, telling him that that's what she was going to do. Leave with the kids. And of course, this is when they were always in conflict, always fighting, always arguing. But she was arguing with the King of Swords, and he was angry. He was pissed off. For some reason that day, she has said that she's leaving with the kids. When they were arguing, and he's becoming enraged. She pressed his button. She pressed too many buttons that day and he's lost it. He's just snapped. Anger. Revenge. Oh, that even looks like him. Yeah, that day he just seemed to snap. He became over emotional. Give me more on the Knight of Cups. Give me more on the Knight of Cups, please, Spirit. We have the Nine of Wands, which is the wounded warrior, and we have the Empress, which is the mother. New beginnings also. Yeah, she may have been poking at him for a long time. Poke, 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 poke. New beginnings. threatening to leave. And this day he was just feeling over emotional and snapped. Maybe it's because he hadn't drank much. Maybe he had one drink or a couple of drinks, but doesn't seem like he was drunk. But it seemed like a lot of abuse come from her as well. He seemed to be very abusive. They both seem to be abusive towards one another. In a respect that she may not have seen that she was being abusive towards him emotionally, but her threatening to go and take the kids he saw as being abusive. But the reason why she wanted to leave was because he was abusive. May even have been physically abusive. Why is the well here, Spirit? Digging deeper, having to take a deeper look into something. Why is the well here? We have the World, the Page of Cups, and the Palace of Wands in reverse. Yeah, she was wanting to move on, end the cycle with him, move on, and take what's hers. She may have even said, I'll take you for everything. And here's the Page of Cups again. Oh, no, sorry, that was the Page of Coins. The Page of Cups. This could be showing two of his children here. Why is the Seven of Cups here, Spirit? Oh, we have the Devil. Toxic. Obviously that's drinking. It could also mean drugs. He may have been on drugs here, and this may come to light. The Priestess. Her who knows but doesn't speak. toxic behaviors. And it says on it, darkness into darkness, the key to all mystery. The darkest card with the lightest card. So whatever is being hidden in the dark is going to be brought to light. I believe that she will end up speaking, and she does have the key to any mystery of why he's behaved or why he did what he did. Whether or not she does speak about it's going to be another thing. But definitely toxic drinking, toxic behaviour, perhaps drugs, is all going to come to light here. I need more on the Queen of Swords, please, Spirit. Give me more on the Queen of Swords. That was quick. Yeah, she was leaving him. Eight of Cups, she was walking away. The Seven of the Chariot. Now keep in mind that the Chariot doesn't always mean a car. It also means something that's hard to control. Could also mean self-assertion, a will. Could also mean victory, depending on the readings. On this, I would take that this man was very hard to control. So she was actually getting to the stage, although a million times before she had threatened that she was going to leave with the kids, she was actually getting the courage to do it, getting the willpower to be able to put down the burdens finally and walk away. She was starting to see a new perspective. No longer in suspension. She had thought about it for a long time. And he may have realised that this time she meant what she was saying. Yeah, I believe this is showing the two children he got at first. Then he had to capture the third one. But there's definitely something that she needs to open up about and talk about. Oh, that card gives me the heebie-jeebies. It looks like him. I just see his face in it. King of Swords. He knew how much she loved these kids. He knew that she was a very loving mother. And he wanted to cause an effect, and he wanted to hurt her. It was her that he wanted revenge on. It was her that he wanted to hurt. You're not taking my kids away. Exactly what I said at the start. If you can't have them, I can't. You're not having them either. But they're not a tool. They're not a tool to use. They don't belong to anybody. He's taken away 3 beautiful little lives here because his wife was going to leave him. And he didn't want to pay the child support. Ten of coins, the child support. He thought some way that she'd be better off than him, living her best life. And it was all about revenge. What a sad, sad, sad state of events. Please, angels, take these 3 young baby boys under your wings. Protect them and guide them on the other side. And help them rest in peace. Love and light.